morning, Grace family, and welcome to the Communion and Mission Sunday here at Grace.
We are so glad that you have chosen to worship with us today. Here is what's happening at Grace this week.
Right after the message, we have communion. If you have joined online and would like to partake in the Lord's table with us, please keep your emblem ready.
Come join us every Friday at 6:30 p.m. for worship and prayer. It's a time for us to connect, support one another in prayer, and seek the Lord's presence together, both in person and online through Facebook and YouTube. As Matthew 18 verse 20 says, "For where 2 or 3 gather in my name, there am I with them."
We are here to pray with you. You can reach us out via Facebook or WhatsApp using the contact details provided. If you are attending in person, feel free to share your prayer request by filling out a card and placing it in the prayer box, or by speaking with one of our prayer team members after the service.
Join us for our online Bible study every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Whether you are new to the Bible or have been studying it for some time, it's a wonderful opportunity to explore God's Word with others. This week's focus is on Book of James, Practical Christian Living.
This July, we are celebrating Testimony Month. If you have a testimony you'd love to share with our church family, please contact Pastor Nini. We can't wait to hear and celebrate the amazing things God is doing in your life.
Join us in celebrating these wonderful stories of faith and transformation from our Grace families.
Good morning, Grace Church. My name is Paul Young, and I've come here to testify about God's glory in my family's life. And first of all, I would like to thank Pastor Ivan and Pastor Nini to give me this opportunity to testify myself. Today, I'm going to tell you what God has done into our lives. My wife, as you know, Preeti, many of you know that she's been suffering from glaucoma for a long time. It's been around 8 or 9 years, and continuously every 6 months she used to be operated for her eyes, but nothing was happening. Every time the doctor used to say something, or the ears went wrong, and then there was another operation, and we were really tired and we had lost all our hopes. But then we started praying, and even the church, many people in the church, they started praying. Pastors also started praying for us. I used to be in contact with them, and whenever there used to be an operation. And recently, then after 5 years, we got another operation done for my wife Preeti, and as usual we went to the hospital, we got the operation done, and we knew that nothing is going to happen, but still we had hope because a lot of people were praying for us. And after the operation was done, we went home. The second day we came because the bandage had to be removed, and when the bandage got removed, still she was in pain. But then while we were going back home, I saw that she was very much happy because she was able to see the numbers of the cars and the boards, and she was able to started seeing everything what came across while we were driving back home. And the same thing happened for her next eye operation also, because she had to be operated for both eyes. And then from the second eye also, she recently got operated, and now she's able to see everything. And I want to thank God and thank everybody who prayed for my wife.
मेरा नाम इवेन लकड़ा है और मैं ग्रेस असेंबली ऑफ गॉड चर्च धीरज नगर में अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ सेवकाई करता हूं। हमारी कलीसिया की एक अद्भुत गवाही है। हमारे कलीसिया में एक सीमा नाम की एक बहन है जिसके पेट में प्रॉब्लम था, और डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि ये फट जाएगा, आपको ऑपरेशन कराना आवश्यक है। यदि आप ऑपरेशन नहीं कराएंगे आपको बहुत चैलेंज का सामना करना पड़ेगा। और वो पहली बार कलीसिया में आई थी, और हम सब ने मिलकर प्रार्थना किया। और जब अगले सप्ताह वो डॉक्टर के पास गई, डॉक्टर ने बोला पहले अल्ट्रासाउंड कराइए, उसके बाद हम ट्रीटमेंट शुरू करेंगे। जब उन्होंने अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया, तब अल्ट्रासाउंड का रिपोर्ट ये आया कि एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल, सब कुछ नॉर्मल था। डॉक्टर यह देखकर आश्चर्यचकित हो गए और उस बहन ने परमेश्वर को महिमा दी। जो परमेश्वर बहन सीमा के जीवन में अद्भुत कार्य कर सकता है, वो परमेश्वर आपके लिए भी अद्भुत कार्य कर सकता है।
जय मसीह की। मेरा नाम जीवनदीप है। मैं नीम का कलीसिया में सेवा करता हूं और मेरी गवाही ये है कि मेरा आंत इन्फेक्शन हो गया था और ऑपरेशन किया गया और ऑपरेशन करने के बाद डॉक्टर ने ये बोला कि हो सकता है इन्फेक्शन हो, लेकिन डॉक्टर ने जब चेक किया तो कुछ भी इन्फेक्शन नहीं आया और डॉक्टर खुद बोला कि इतना जल्दी कैसे रिकवरी हो सकता है। ये बहुत ही आश्चर्य और चमत्कार मेरे जीवन में परमेश्वर ने किया और जो चिन्ह और चमत्कार परमेश्वर ने मेरे जीवन में किया, वो चिन्ह और चमत्कार आपके जीवन में भी कर सकता है। इसलिए प्रभु पर विश्वास रखें, भरोसा रखें और ये प्रार्थना करें ताकि प्रभु आपके जीवन में अद्भुत काम करने पाए।
Right after the service, the Light of Grace Women's Ministry is hosting a fundraiser. Support the ministry and outreach efforts by purchasing a meal.
Join us for worship next Sunday at 10 a.m. both in person and online. We are excited to see you there.
Stay connected for more updates, information and encouragement by following our social media accounts.
Have a wonderful week as you love God and love people.